6 times table time. What we gonna do? 6 times tables. 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 Listen, I'm out here in the hot sun trying to get this done. Yeah, mathematics is fun, but I want to make sure that you got it, daughter, son. All right, son? All right. So, we're going to do the 6 times tables right now. My name is Mr. O. We're going to break it down so that you know. Because if you don't know, now you know. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72. I say no more. All right, can we do that again? One more time. Woo! 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72. Now you know your 6 tables. Now you know your 6 tables. The 6 times tables. The 6 times tables. What? 6 times tables. What? 6 times tables. Yeah. So, 1 times 6 is 6. 2 times 6, double it. That's 12. 3 times 6 is 18. 4 times 6 is 24. 5 times 6 is 30. 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 6 is 42. 8 times 6 is 48. 9 times 6 is 54. 10 times 6 is 60. 11 times 6 is 66. 12 times 6 is 72. And that's your 6 times turntables. That's your 6 times tables. So when you go to school, little boy, little man, little girl, yo, raise your hand. Tell your teacher, I know I can. Again, I think I can. I know I can. All right? 6 turn. Times tables, man. That's your 6 times. I mean, times. Times tables, man. Man. All right? Mr. O, in your area, gotta go. It's hot out here. Yo, get some water, agua, you know. Yeah, hasta luego.